think I need to change a uniform. It's like 100 degrees outside. I just fired the bus up, so the AC is starting to cool it down, but not quick enough. What do you get when you put me in a really hot vehicle for 10 minutes? A roasted bus nut, Asian style. Sorry, that probably wasn't funny. So today, it's just a local trip, so we're not really going out of town. It is a 2-day thing, so tonight we're gonna pick them up and basically show them around for all their needs, and then we're basically gonna go home after that. Should be done about 9 o'clock this evening. And tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. we're gonna go do a couple of morning routines. We're gonna get police escorted most of the way everywhere we go. When you get to red and red lights legally, that just kind of puts a cherry on top. I'm gonna finish pre-tripping the bus. There's actually 3 of us on this trip today. There's me, there's Kelly O'Hara, and then Gary Crull is gonna be bus 3. So I'll introduce you guys to the convoy here in a little bit, but I'm gonna get the bus pre-tripped and we'll talk to you guys in a few once I get this done. Convoy, by the numbers, check in.
2's good. 3 is good. I'll pull out on the street. Get out of the way.
1's good. So we just pulled up to the alley and we're waiting for the group to come out. It's 5:08. We have about 45 minutes. So my awesome wife and my 2 daughters brought us some Jimmy John's and we're gonna eat dinner. But the A team today is Gary Crull, who's the first driver ever to be hired in Urbana, in our Urbana facility for Pure Charter. And Kelly O'Hara, he's office staff, he's a trainer, he's the manager of the facility, and then yours truly. And we're just gonna sit around and eat Jimmy John's until the group comes out. As you saw, Kelly and Gary were putting their window stickers on, so we gotta put ours on, and I think it's gonna need some tape. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Now, Jimmy John's. Now, I never eat alone if I can avoid it, so I'm gonna go join the drivers. You guys want to come with? Come on. Oh. Now, it wouldn't be a Jay Wang vlog if there weren't food involved. So today we got Jimmy John's, and my wife got us the Vito, which is my favorite. I didn't even bother to ask these guys if they like the Vito, so I figured I'd just order.
I don't like it.
Yeah, he doesn't like his at all. Cheers.
I don't like mine either.
You got vinegar, oil, capricola, salami, cheese, pepperoni, provolone. And the best part about Jimmy John's, if you haven't had it, is the baguette. Can you guys hear that? It's got this thick, crunchy shell on the outside, and it's super chewy on the inside. It's the bread that makes the sandwich, I think. Bus drivers like to eat. Have you ever seen a skinny bus driver? If you have, send me the picture. No, please don't. I know there are skinny bus drivers out there. Don't send me any skinny bus driver pics. So part of doing this is waiting. You sit and wait a lot. Like trips like today, we're probably going to do more waiting than we're going to do driving. So we're sitting here for an hour. We just had our Jimmy John's. By the way, thank you, honey. Hey, look, our escorts arrived. I'm gonna go say hi to the escorts. What's up, man? You mind being on YouTube?
Nope, not at all.
These are the officers that escort us. They make our lives so much easier. They get all the riffraff out of the way. So as you guys saw, our escorts arrived. These officers are gonna escort us all the way to the multiple destinations of this evening until we drop them off. And then tomorrow morning, same thing. But anyway, it's 5:52. They should be out any minute. We're gonna fire up the buses. High beams and four-ways. Yep, we'll head out. All right, we just dropped up and we're gonna get out of here. All right, Kelly, you ready?
Yeah, I'm right behind you. Come out like we're going into Illinois Terminal.
Yes, sir.
Does the itinerary say when they're supposed to come out?
9 p.m.
Alright, should have brought a pillow.
bus has been pre-tripped and it's currently 5:30 in the morning. The other two drivers are going to arrive a little later. I have to pick up the staff and take them to their first destination where I'll meet up with the other two drivers, and hopefully we'll get some breakfast after that. Now the hotel we're going to is the Hyatt in downtown Champaign. It's the place we dropped off last night. They usually have hot breakfast there, so hopefully they'll let the bus drivers in and grab a bite to eat while we're waiting. Hey, there's Kelly. But we're gonna go ahead and head out to the stadium and pick up the staff and get the day started. Let's go. About 6:30. We still got about 40 minutes to go before the staff is supposed to actually show up. So as the morning's progressing, there's more and more traffic here. Like there's a lot of band members been walking up and down. There's some cheerleaders and people on the dance teams. Definitely getting the spirit that game day is happening. We're here, gonna shut off the bus and let's go grab some breakfast. I'm starving. It's currently 9:09, so we're gonna go fire up the buses. Breakfast was awesome, had a lot to eat. So we're gonna fire up the buses. We're gonna pull them up right along here and get ready for the group to board.
Should be chasing after the sun.
All right, we just got a 3-minute warning, so 3 minutes and we get out of here. Let the cops know. 3 minutes! Okay guys, I'm gonna put my handheld camera away now because they're about to come out. Plus one is waiting for Mark.
3 is good.
All right, we're rolling.
Between
Well, folks, that's the end of our trip for this weekend. I know it's been a while since I've posted on this channel. I hope this is the first of many to come. If you haven't checked out my other YouTube channel yet, Motorcoach World, go ahead and check that channel out, youtube.com/Motorcoach World. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Hope you guys had a good time. Hopefully there's more trips coming up for me so that I can post more content. Have a good rest of the week, month, year, whatever. And until I see you guys next time, catch you guys later. I almost forgot to say toodles. It's been that long. Toodles!